In this video, I'll show you how to double-space in Google Docs. If you need your document to look more open and easier to read, double spacing is one of the most common formatting changes people use. It is especially popular for school papers, essays, reports, and drafts that need extra room between lines for editing or comments. Google's official help says you can change line spacing from the toolbar or from the Format menu, and one of the built-in options is double. To get started, open your document in Google Docs and decide whether you want to double-space just one part of the document or the whole file. If you only want to change one paragraph or one section, highlight that text first. If you want the entire document to be double-spaced, press Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac to select everything. Google's help says spacing changes can be applied to the paragraph where your cursor is placed or to multiple selected paragraphs. Now look at the top toolbar and find the button called Line and Paragraph Spacing. Click it and you'll see spacing choices like single, 1.15, 1.5, and double. Choose double and Google Docs will instantly add more space between each line in the selected text. This is the fastest way to do it and the one most people use. You can also do the same thing from the menu bar. Click Format, then go to Line and Paragraph Spacing and choose double. That gives you the same result, so use whichever option feels easier for you. Google's official formatting page lists both the toolbar and the Format menu as supported ways to change line spacing. If the document still looks like it has too much extra space, check whether paragraph spacing is also turned on. In the same Line and Paragraph Spacing menu, Google Docs includes options like Add Space after paragraph and Remove Space after paragraph. Sometimes people think they are seeing double spacing, when the real issue is extra paragraph spacing on top of the line spacing. If you want even more control, click Custom Spacing in that same menu. From there, you can set the exact spacing you want before and after paragraphs. This is useful if you need your document to follow a very specific format for school, work, or publishing. Google's help says custom spacing lets you enter your own spacing values and then apply them to the selected text. On Android, the steps are a little different. Open the document in the Google Docs app, tap Edit, select the text, tap Format, and then adjust the line spacing with the plus or minus controls. Google's Android help page confirms that line spacing can be changed directly in the app that way. So to double space in Google Docs, select your text, click Line and Paragraph Spacing, and choose Double. Or go to Format, then Line and Paragraph Spacing, and pick Double there. It only takes a few clicks, and it can make your document much easier to read and much better formatted. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.